We started off our Monday mostly sunny. We end the day mostly cloudy. I'm digital meteorologist Whitney Williams in the WGEM First Alert Weather Now streaming studio. And this forecast update is thanks to our friends at Farm and Home Supply. So mostly cloudy through this evening and into the night. Later on tonight, you may see the radar picking up on a few rain showers, which of course will definitely be there further up in the atmosphere. But our lower levels are dry, so that should just evaporate before it can even reach us. Then through the rest of the night, we have decreasing clouds. What are we expecting tomorrow? Well, for that information, you need to stream WGEM First Alert Weather now.